Dear friends, welcome to my technology-based product review channel. Introducing the all-new EchoBuds, the latest release from Amazon in 2023, available in a sleek black color with a convenient USB-C cable included. These true wireless earbuds are making waves, with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating and an impressive 4,634 ratings, plus answers to 215 common questions, showing their popularity and reliability. Priced at just $59.98, these EchoBuds are not only affordable but also come in a stylish glacier white option for those who prefer a lighter touch. The bundle offers incredible value as it includes the EchoBuds and an official Amazon.com USB-C cable. So, what makes these EchoBuds stand out from the competition? Let's dive into their remarkable features. Rich, balanced sound. Enjoy audio that's loud and clear with 12mm drivers delivering crisp audio, balanced bass, and full sound. The two built-in microphones and a voice detection accelerometer ensure crystal clear communication. Stay connected to your world. These EchoBuds feature a semi-ear design that reduces outside noise, allowing you to stay connected to your surroundings while enjoying music or taking calls. They are lightweight and sweat-resistant, and they come with pre-installed silicone earbud covers to optimize your fit. Seamless device switching. EchoBuds let you connect to two devices simultaneously, seamlessly moving between them with multi-point pairing. You can effortlessly switch from a video call on your laptop to your favorite music on your phone without missing a beat. Voice assistant integration. With Alexa on the go, you can cue music, play podcasts, listen to Audible, make calls, set reminders, and much more, all with the sound of your voice. These buds are compatible with iOS and Android, and they also support access to Siri and Google Assistant. Long-lasting battery. Never miss a beat with up to 5 hours of music playback, 6 hours without wake word on, and up to 20 total hours with the charging case. Plus, a quick 15-minute charge gives you an extra 2 hours of use. Customizable tap controls. Personalize your experience with the Alexa app, which allows you to set up tap controls for each individual earbud. You can use tap controls to manage music, handle phone calls, mute your microphones, and more. Privacy protection. EchoBuds are designed with multiple layers of privacy protection and controls. You can easily mute the microphones using the Alexa app, putting you in charge of your privacy. Dual connect. Enjoy the freedom to use either your left ear, right ear, or both earbuds at the same time. On-ear detection will automatically pause playback when one or both earbuds are removed from your ear, and a single tap will resume playback. In summary, the all-new EchoBuds 2023 release offers a fantastic listening experience with rich, balanced sound, smart voice assistant integration, seamless device switching, long-lasting battery life, and customizable controls. They are designed to protect your privacy and give you the flexibility of using one or both earbuds as needed. Don't miss out on these versatile and affordable true wireless earbuds, available in both black and glacier white. Order now and enjoy the next level of audio quality and convenience. Dear friends, I am doing affiliate marketing for Amazon. You can get the product mentioned in the video by clicking on the links given in the command box of my video. If you buy the product using my link, the company will give me some commission. My purpose is to collect information and provide reviews of the most necessary products in your life, so that you can know more about the product. Stay with me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.